You're welcome to Karma Studios. Yes, there is an update coming from WAEC and Ghana Education Service concerning about the examination irregularities. You guys, those of you who have been watching me lately will attest to the fact that I've been making video about education, and my recent or previous videos, they were all about the examination irregularities that WAEC, brought a list that was set 1, set 2, set 3, talking of students who were caught in examination act or examination irregularities. Yes, the list, they were many. So WAEC has launched an official website to allow students to insert their index number, their date of birth, and the year that they wrote the BECE to check if they were part of the examination irregularities. Now, not only that, I will take you through how you'll be able to check it on your phone, on your PC, or on your laptop. Yes, and if anything bothers you, even after watching the video, kindly hit me up. I'll check it for you. All I need is your index number, your date of birth, and the year that you wrote the BC. And it's going to be 2025. So without talking much, I want to take you through in the process of how you can check it on your phone. Now, if this is your first time, kindly follow this page and make sure you share this video to your friends and your loved ones so that they also know how to check DS on their phones and on their distance. So when you go, I'll be leaving the link. Remember, I'll be leaving the link in my bio. So you kindly tap on my profile. You see the link over there. When you click on the link, it will bring you to this interface, and this is the interface that's this is the interface that you get if you click on the link on your phone or on your laptop. This is the interface that you're going to have. So WAEC irregularities reporting and investigation system, and this is the interface, a transparent, secure platform for managing, reporting, and investigation examination more practice. Forgive me, because the t-shirt that I'm wearing, GTI, we don't speak English when I was in school. Yeah, so what to them? Examination more practices in WAEC Ghana, empowering schools, candidates, and parents with real-time data and insights on their malpractice status. Now, you have this interface, and then you are going to get like the school login. So let's say the school is trying to check the list on behalf of the student. Yeah, so when you come, you have the interface, you have the school login and the candidate login. So let's say Cam Junction DA, they want to check their student who were caught up in the act. Yeah, the school just have to click on the first link, and then this is the interface that they will get. They are going to have like email and password. So let's say each and every school has email and password. When you're registering your candidates, yes, why demand email and password? So you have to input it here, and when you input it here, they are going to list all the candidates who were caught in the act. And if you are a student or a candidate, you want to check it on your own, like you're checking yours, not on behalf of anyone. You just have to click on the candidate login, and it gives you this interface requesting you to insert your or input your index number, date of birth, year of exams. So I have my younger brother's index number. Let's see my younger brother's detail over here. I want to insert and see how they are going to give us. I've already inserted here, so let me just fill in. So these are the login details. So when I click login as a candidate, this is the interview that I'm going to have, and you see the candidate name there, the full name and the index number. Aside that, you're going to get the year and then the school code, yes, and the school's name, and then the candidate gender. So this is the interface that you're going to get if you really want to check if you're part of the people or the candidate who were caught in the act. Now, if you're not part of the listed students who were caught up in the act, this is what you're going to have. No more practices, no more practice record found. So this candidate is actually free. Yeah, he's free from any issues with WAEC, coming to WAEC office and all kind of that. And they even give you this this interface whereby you can print the report form. So as you can see, the heading is candidate malpractice reports generated on 22nd August 2025, and here is the information, so you can save it for more information. So this is how you can check it on your phone or on your laptop. So this one I'm just doing it on a laptop, yes, but on your phone, when you click on the link, you are going to receive the same interface. So this is very simple. I mean, you have to check if you're part or not, because with the list you can even glance through some names and you will not see if you are part or not. So you kindly use this website to check if your name was listed in the WAEC examination irregularities list. Set 1, set 2, set 3, there were many. So maybe you had a set 1 but you didn't have a set 2. So this is the easiest way to check if you're part or not. Now, if you really enjoyed this video, I kindly urge you to subscribe to our platform on YouTube and follow us on all the social media handles for any update that comes, so that you'll be able to know whatever is going on about your BECE. I know most of the candidates will also be asking when is the results coming. Now, I've been receiving messages from Salespin and all the companies that that are selling the results checkers, yes, because as soon as you start receiving messages from these companies, you know that, yeah, the release date is near or is closer. So kindly have patience. It's going to be out, and when it's out, we are coming to make a video. We are going to make a video and update you guys as we always do. So kindly stay tuned and become part of this amazing family if you are not. Now, here is Karma Studios and this is Karma Edu. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar, your favorite and the youngest content creator in your country. I'm finally out.